kilo ko. Pagod na pagod ako.
It's free?
Wow. Oo. Yeah, kasama yan. Kung gusto mo mag-sisha. Ayun nga lang. Halo-halo.
Inside I have buffet section. After the first show starts with snacks here, and after the second for the ladies, small design of there is dress also free there, but it's already stopped. And for snacks and dinner start with the announcement when our DJ announce it starts 7 o'clock, and live buffet there until 9:30.
Or some of the
Saan? Saan? My love. Habibi, I love you. This is our card.
Okay.
Thank you. Let's go.
Okay, all tour I take.
Hello, what?
You sit all together? 7%?
Yeah. 4%.
4%.
Yeah.
Okay, give it a
What is better
all,
side?
all is better.
Oh, for premium?
Yes.
Oh.
4%.
Yeah.
1, 3, 4. Okay.
Thanks. Isn't that okay here?
Okay.
Ah,
No problem.
okay, better here.
This better.
Yeah.
Because little.
The stage.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You are
Ooh. Four person.
4%?
Yeah. What is this?
What?
Water? Okay, got it. Thank you.
Okay.
Wait, they have also a shisha? Okay, thank you. Ito na po ang mga madam. Madam and sir.
Oh, see?
Thank you so much, ladies, for this beautiful performance. Ladies and gentlemen, your dinner is ready to serve. You can proceed to the buffet counters. Thank you.
Write for the name whatever you want. That's a beautiful art of the desert sky. That's a unique memory. I will write for the name together. Happy birthday, love together, honeymoon Dubai, food together.
Magpapahay na tayo. Papatato tayo kay Wangad. What design?
Maliit lang daw, ng bulaklak.
Ay, ganun. Siya si Wangad. I don't like too much big.
Hoy!
Oh, pwede pa isa pa.
Tanong mo nga.
It is okay to one more tattoo? Ha? It is okay for one more tattoo? Oh, no problem daw.
May bayad pa?
Ewan ko dun. She wants like this. Ano, ayaw na niya. Ang laki na sa'yo.
Kaya nga, yung ginanon yan yung pangit ng kamay
Big,
ko.
big, big. Sa akin.
I want same like that.
Wala na ka.
Ayaw ko nito!
So sa akin, cute lang. Malaki naman kasi hindi naman lang. Hindi naman lang tinanong. Hindi ka man lang niya pinapili. Busin na yan.
Pangit niya.
Paano to? Hindi na to talaga mabubura? 1 week. 1 week to?
Buisit siya.
Excited pa naman ako. Kala ko naman yung marami. Kaya ako din. Kawawang bata.
Pangit.
Sayang ang tato.
Sayang ang tato. Tapos na ang party. So, bye ah. Bye ka na, bye. Bye. Bye.